Good evening, everyone. I'm sorry today my live is so late because too much working. Um, Good night, everyone. Sweet dreams. Love you now. Qatar time 11 and 20 minutes. Night time. So I'm so sleepy. My eye now become red because so sleepy. So I'm too much tired now. Starts working. See you tomorrow. Thank you for watching my live, everyone. Love you all. Bye bye. Good night. Sweet dreams. Sweet dreams, everyone. Thank you for watching from Pakistan, Indonesia. Okay, bye.